Assalamualaikum. जी dear students, open your maths book beginner A and page number 16. Yes, page number 16. You will write date here and homeschooling, and our topic is counting. Count, say and trace. How many chickens? Sorry, how many duck? कितनी duck हैं ये? 4. 1 2 3 4. कितनी duck हैं? 4. 1 2 3 4. Yes, 1 2 3 and 4. We will trace with pencil. We will trace with finger. 4. Put here your finger and trace with finger. 4. Standing line के साथ ही slipping line and another standing line. तो 4 बन गया. And trace with crayon. Yes. And trace with crayon. 4. Trace with crayon. Yes. Trace with crayon. Put here your crayon and trace with crayon. 4. Yes. And trace with pencil. And trace with pencil. Put here your pencil and trace with your pencil. 4. Trace with your pencil and join the dots. Standing line, slipping line and another standing line. तो क्या बन गया? 4. Yes. हमारा पेज जो है वो कंप्लीट हो गया है और दिस पेज इज़ योर होमवर्क. Counting, color the objects having number 4 and count the similar objects and color the correct number. This page is your homework. Yes, और आपके घर में जितनी भी 4 थिंग्स हैं आप उन 4 थिंग्स के बारे में अपनी मदर को बताएंगे. ठीक है? ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.